My name is Anandi. I am in standard 3. AM, N, AN, N, 88,
80 add.
80 add, CAP cap, TAP tap, PET pet, NET net, BED bed, END end,
End.
BEND bend, IN in, IT eat, BIT beat, FIT feet, TIP tip, ON on, OF off, NOT not, POP pop, TOP top, UP up, CUP cup, CUP, PUP pop, TUB top, FUN fun.
Very good.
A cat, a fat cat on a mat. A pin, and a tin in a bin. A dot on a pot. Tin,
टीन आहे का? नीट वाच.
10 mean
मी नाही का? नाही आला की वर्ड
Men.
उच्चारायचं, स्पेलिंग उच्चारायचं.
10 men and a pen.
व्हेरी गुड.
A
cup.
cup in a tub.
व्हेरी गुड. आनंदी वाचून दाखवते का मला? वाचते? चल वाच बरं.
Hi, I am Priya. I live in a small village. There are many houses in our village.
देअर आहे का? द
The houses
आर
are CLOSE close together.
व्हेरी गुड.
There are small
एस लँड्स.
lands between the houses.
व्हेरी गुड.
There are many plants and trees